Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 3 of our 30 days of yoga challenge. So today we will be focusing on warrior poses, and we'll work on a flow that includes warrior 1, warrior 2, and humble warrior. So all you'll need today is your yoga mat. So let's go ahead and grab that and we will get started. So we're going to start at the top of the mat in mountain pose. Standing tall here, making sure that the feet are parallel to one another. Lift the toes, lift the arch, make sure the ball and the heel are grounded into the mat. And then replace the toes down, roll the shoulders up and back, and stand tall, hands down by your side. We'll start with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And then standing in your mountain pose, inhale as you reach your arms out and up. On the exhale, we're going to come down to our chair pose. So bend the knees, lower the hips, and send the hips back. Arms are in line with your spine. You can come down as far as you like in your chair pose, as low as you like. Breathe. Really feel the heat building in your body. And then go ahead and bring your hands to your heart. Shift your weight to your left foot. Lift the right leg and step it back. Keeping the ball of the right foot down, keeping a bend in the front knee. So right now we're in a high lunge. I'm just feeling the stretch in that right quad. And then go ahead and plant that back foot down. So bringing the heel down, keeping the bend in the left knee. Reaching the arms up, coming to our warrior 1. Relax the shoulders here. Take a breath. And then go ahead and reach your hands behind you, interlace your fingers behind your back. Keep that bend in the front knee. And then we're going to lean forward, the upper body forward, bringing that left shoulder to the inside of the left knee. And then start to reach the hands up behind you. Coming into our humble warrior, also known as Baddha Virabhadrasana. Breathe here. And then release as you come back to your warrior 1, bringing your arms up. And then we're going to bring the arms out to the side, turning the right foot out towards the long edge of the mat, keeping that bend in the left knee. Arms out to your sides, coming to our warrior 2, looking forward over the front fingertips. From here, coming to our reverse warrior. So bringing that right hand down behind you, lifting the left arm up and back. And then coming back to our warrior 2. This time bringing that left forearm down to the left thigh, reaching the right arm forward. So think about a straight line from the right fingertips down to the right foot. Breathe. Coming back to our warrior 2. This time we're straightening that left foot. Turn the left toes towards the long edge of the mat. And we're coming down to a wide forward fold. So once you have your feet parallel to one another, you may have to adjust it there. Bring your hands to your hips And then start to bend forward and bring your hands down towards the mat. So you can stay here with the arms extended and the hands planted on the mat, or you can choose to bend the elbows and bring the head down towards the mat, whichever works best for you. And then bringing your hands to your hips, start to lift the upper body up. Coming back to our wide stance. And then we're going to turn that right foot out to the side. So you may have to move the right foot over towards the right side of the mat. Keep the left foot back there. Go ahead and bring a bend to this right knee. And then reach the arms out to your sides. We're coming to warrior two on the opposite side or the opposite leg. Breathe here. And then we're going to bring that right forearm down to the right thigh, reaching the left arm up, coming to our extended side angle. So here, thinking about a straight line from the left fingertips down to the left foot. Breathe. And then coming back to our warrior two, keeping that bend in the right knee. We're coming back to our reverse warrior. So bring the left hand down, reaching the right arm back. Breathe here. And then coming back to our warrior two. And then we're going to turn that left foot in just a little bit. Turn our torso to face the back of the room or the opposite side that we started on. Keep a bend in the right knee. Reach the arms up. Coming to our warrior one. Relax the shoulders here. And then go ahead and reach the hands behind your back. Interlace the fingers here. Start to bend forward with the upper body. Bring the right shoulder to the inside of the right knee. And reach the hands up behind you as you come down. Breathe here. And then release. Coming back. Reaching the arms up to our warrior one. And then coming onto the ball of the left foot. Front knee is still bent. Coming back to our high lunge. Hands can come to your heart. We're going to step forward to our chair pose. So sending the hips down and back just a little. Bending the knees. And then reaching the arms up. Take a breath. Inhale as you stand all the way up. Exhale, arms down by your side. And we'll end here with our 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. Hands down by your side. Roll your shoulders up and back, standing tall in your mountain pose. Let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Thanks for joining me today for our warrior flow. And don't forget that you can journal about your practice, or you can let me know how it made you feel down in the comments. And that's it. I'll see you all tomorrow for day number 4 of our 30-day yoga challenge.